Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Here we have for you this Volkswagen approved used Passat GTE Advanced finished in the stunning Manganese grey. This is the 218 PS 1.4 litre petrol hybrid covering just under 5,000 miles. This car is jam-packed full of additional options including your panoramic sunroof, your area view camera, a tyre pressure monitoring system, ambient lighting and your heated washer jets. So we've got your 18-inch alloys with the blue calipers following your blue accents on the GTE badging. Then we've got your electric folding door mirrors providing safety for your vehicle when left parked on narrow streets, your keyless entry which is perfect for when you've got your hands full, and then you've got your rear tinted glass finishing off the overall look of this stunning vehicle. So then opening up the boot, we've got a huge space. We've got plenty of room to store your weekly shop, we've got enough room to store a few large suitcases, and then to close the boot we just simply press the button as shown. So moving into the rear, we've got your upgraded Titan black Vienna leather upholstery that really gives off that luxury vibe. Your passengers will be really happy to travel in the back. You've got your handy pull-out armrest in the centre seat with 2 cup holders. Then you've got your aircon down here. And then moving to the front, we've got your heated front seats. So moving inside, we've got your touchscreen interface where we can access the car's features. So we've got your DAB radio for all your music. We've got your Bluetooth telephone connect in order to make phone calls for your vehicle. We've got your wireless app connect to seamlessly pair your phone to the car. And this car does come with your sat navigation which will help you plan your routes as well as providing you with the quickest one. We've got your GTE mode which is perfect for longer journeys. Then we also have your dynamic chassis control with your driving mode selection. And as I mentioned earlier, this fantastic car features your area view camera and your front and rear parking sensors that are super helpful for when you're parking your vehicle. This car also features your head-up display displaying key information in the driver's field of view. And we've also got your 3-zone climate control to keep everyone comfortable, and we've got your heated seat controls. And then moving down, we've got your start and stop function, your automatic gear stick. We've got your electronic park brake with auto hold, we've got 2 handy cup holders. And then we also have some storage underneath the armrest as well as a handy USB port to charge devices. So I'll just give you a close-up of the seat. It's got a really nice white stitching throughout. And then over here we've got your unique GTE instrument cluster that displays your map, helping you to keep your eyes on the road. Got your multifunction steering wheel with the GTA badging at the bottom. And then we've also got your automatic lights to ensure they're always on at the correct times. Or your electric mirror window controls. And lastly, we've got your panoramic sunroof that's perfect for days like today. It flows lots of natural light into the car. And then we've also got your sun blind. So I really hope you love the car. If you would like any more information, then please give us a call. Thanks for watching.